Today we're going to be making sugar cookies just in time for Christmas. So let's get started. So we need 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of salted butter, 2 cups of white sugar, 2 3/4 cup flour, 1 large egg, and 1/4 cup white sugar to dust the sugar cookies in, where you get that nice sugar on the outside. So now let's add our ingredients to the mixing bowl. Add our flour, our sugar, our egg, our brown sugar, our baking powder and baking soda, our vanilla extract, our salt, and now let's add our butter. So we've got to open them up. So let's start mixing. So now it's done mixing. Let's see. Yep, right here. So now our dough is ready. So let's prep the area to be able to roll them in balls, cover them in sugar, and lay them on the tray to cook. So now let's make the cookie dough balls. So let's take some off. You want to try to roll them into balls, or as close as you can into balls. So I got one here. Now you roll them into sugar. Then you put them on the plate, the tray. And then you do the whole cycle all over again. Do it all over again. So we made our cookie dough balls. So now what's left to do is preheat the oven, which we already did, and now it's ready to put in the oven. So make sure you cook your cookies 7 to 8 minutes. If you need to cook them longer, then cook them longer. So let's put them in the oven and cook them, and we'll be back with you for the taste test. So now our cookies are out the oven and they're all ready. So guess what time it is? Time to taste test. So I got a cookie right here. and let's see how it tastes. Mmm, that's good. It got just the right amount of fluffiness and softness, and then you got the edges that are nice and crispy. Cause in the middle, nice and soft, all that goodness. But I'd say this is a really good cookie recipe, maybe one of the best. And it depends on how much you cook it. You may like it softer, you may like it harder, but I like it softer with a little bit of crust, with a little bit of hardness on the outside of it. But besides that, it's really good, delicious. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!